the most terrifying things in our universe. Space will shock you. Space looks calm, silent, beautiful, peaceful, but that's just what we see from a distance, because in reality, the universe is filled with things so powerful, so strange, and so deadly that they can destroy entire planets, stars, even galaxies, in seconds. Let's start with something you've probably heard of: black holes. But what exactly are they? A black hole is created when a massive star dies and collapses under its own gravity. The result: a point in space where gravity becomes so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. At the center lies something called a singularity, a place where the laws of physics completely break down. If you got too close to a black hole, something horrifying would happen. It's called spaghettification. Your body would be stretched into a long, thin strand, because gravity pulls harder on your feet than your head, and before you even realize what's happening, you'd be gone, forever. Imagine something so dense that a single teaspoon of it would weigh billions of tons. That's a neutron star. When a massive star explodes in a supernova, its core collapses into an incredibly small, dense object. These stars are only about 20 kilometers wide, but contain more mass than our sun. And they spin fast. Some neutron stars rotate hundreds of times per second. That means their surface moves at incredible speeds. If you got close to one, you wouldn't just be crushed. You'd be torn apart by its gravity and radiation. Magnetars, the universe's strongest magnets. Now let's make things even worse. Some neutron stars become something far more terrifying. Magnetars. These are the most magnetic objects in the universe. Their magnetic field is trillions of times stronger than Earth's. To give you an idea, if a magnetar came halfway between Earth and the Moon, it could wipe out all electronic devices on Earth. Not just that, it could literally rearrange the atoms in your body. Your molecules would fall apart, without even touching you. Stars don't just die quietly. Some go out with the biggest explosions in the universe, supernovae. When a massive star runs out of fuel, it collapses and then explodes. In that moment, it can outshine an entire galaxy. The energy released is beyond imagination. If a supernova happened close to Earth, it could destroy our atmosphere. And without our atmosphere, life wouldn't survive. Luckily, the nearest stars that could go supernova are far enough away, for now. Gamma-ray bursts. Bisa för gamma wasan sin ray bro. The invisible killers. Now here's something even scarier. Gamma-ray bursts. These are the most powerful explosions ever observed. They release more energy in a few seconds than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. And the worst part, they are invisible to human eyes. If a gamma-ray burst were pointed directly at Earth, it could strip away our ozone layer, exposing us to deadly radiation from the sun. This could cause mass extinction, and we might not even see it coming. Not all dangers in space are explosive. Some are silent, drifting in darkness. These are rogue planets, planets that have been ejected from their solar systems. They wander through space alone, cold, dark, invisible. There could be billions of them in our galaxy. And if one passed through our solar system, its gravity could disturb planetary orbits, even Earth's orbit. That could lead to extreme climate changes, or worse. Here's something even more mysterious. Dark matter. Scientists believe that most of the universe is made of it, but we can't see it, we can't touch it, we don't even fully understand it. Yet its gravity holds galaxies together. Without dark matter, galaxies would fly apart. It's like an invisible skeleton of the universe, and the fact that something so powerful is completely unseen, that's what makes it terrifying. Dark energy. The force. Tearing the universe apart. If dark matter holds things together, dark energy does the opposite. It pushes everything apart. The universe is expanding, and that expansion is speeding up because of dark energy. Some scientists believe that in the far future, this expansion could tear everything apart. Galaxies, stars, planets, even atoms. This possible end of the universe is called the Big Rip, where everything literally breaks apart. The Great Attractor, a cosmic mystery. There's something out there, pulling our entire galaxy. It's called the Great Attractor. We can't see it clearly because it's hidden behind thick clouds of dust, but we know it's there. Because galaxies, including ours, are moving toward it. What is it? A massive cluster of galaxies, something even bigger. We don't know, and that uncertainty is what makes it so unsettling. The void, the scariest, nothingness. Now imagine the opposite of everything. Nothing. In space, there are regions called cosmic voids, huge areas with almost no galaxies, no stars, no light, just emptiness. One of the largest is the Botas void. It's so vast that traveling through it would feel like being completely alone in the universe. No signals, no reference points, just endless darkness. Time dilation, when time breaks, near massive objects like black holes. Time behaves strangely. This is called time dilation. The closer you are to a black hole, the slower time moves. If you spend a few hours near one, years could pass on Earth. Imagine leaving Earth and coming back to find everyone you know is gone. That's not science fiction, that's real physics. The sun, our friendly threat, even our own sun, can be terrifying. It gives us life, but it can also destroy it. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can send massive bursts of radiation toward Earth. A strong enough event could destroy satellites, knock out power grids, collapse global communication systems. In extreme cases, it could change life on Earth dramatically. Finally, let's talk about the biggest fear of all, the end of everything. Scientists have several theories. The Big Freeze, the universe expands until everything becomes cold and dark. The Big Crunch, gravity pulls everything back together. The Big Rip, everything is torn apart. We don't know which one will happen, but one thing is certain, the universe won't last forever. The beauty of fear. The universe is terrifying, but it's also beautiful. Because every dangerous phenomenon, every mystery, every unknown force is part of something much bigger, a universe that we are still trying to understand, and maybe that's what makes it truly amazing. Not just the danger, but the mystery. So tell us, which of these cosmic horrors scared you the most? Black holes, gamma ray bursts, or the idea that most of the universe is invisible? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more mysteries with us. Thank you.